developers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unlocking a powerful Python feature, decorators, in the simplest way possible. No jargon, just pure understanding. Imagine you have a function that says hello. You want to log whenever it's called. Instead of changing that function, you wrap it using a decorator. So what is a decorator in Python? A decorator is a function that modifies or enhances another function without changing its code. My decorator func receives the function you want to decorate. Inside it, the wrapper adds behavior, a print statement, before calling func. At my decorator is shorthand for say hello equals my decorator say hello. So when you run say hello, it prints. Why use decorators? Decorators are perfect for logging when functions run, authenticating users, measuring execution time, adding caching, making cleaner, reusable code. They help you separate logic without touching the original function body. What if your function has parameters? You can still use decorators. Args and quargs allow the decorator to work with any number of arguments. It prints before running greet nova, which outputs. Let's build a decorator that times how long a function takes to run. You import Python's built-in time module, which allows you to measure time and create delays using functions like time.time and time.sleep. This is a decorator named timer. Timer func. This outer function takes another function as its input. This is the function you want to time. Wrapper, args, quargs. This inner function wraps around the original and records the current time before execution, start. Calls the original function, func asterisk args, comma, asterisk asterisk quargs, and stores its return value and result. Records the time after execution, end. Prints how much time it took, end, start, using formatted output. Return wrapper returns the new function with timing logic added. Here you're decorating the long task function using a timer. Time, sleep 2, pauses execution for 2 seconds, simulating a time-consuming task. Then it prints task done. Because of the @timer decorator, the long task function is now wrapped with the timing logic. When this line runs, the decorator starts timing, waits for 2 seconds, time.sleep2, prints task done, ends timing. And that's it. You now understand Python decorators with real examples. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. Comment if you want a more video.